Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. Hey, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 from shutting down when it's having shutting down problems, whether it's going to sleep, having trouble hibernating, and you just need to turn off that hibernation feature. I'm going to show you two methods to do that to potentially solve this problem. First thing we're going to do is go to the search and type in power. You can go to edit power plan if you see that. If you don't, you can go to power and settings. You're going to go to change power mode. Then we're going to go to additional power settings if you're on Windows 10. And basically you can also get here by typing in edit power plan, which will take you directly here. We're going to click on change advanced settings. It's going to pop up this window here, power options. Next, what we're going to do is scroll down this list here and go to PCI Express. Going to hit that drop down to open the link state power management area. Next, what we're going to do on Windows 10, we're going to go right here where it says link state power. We're going to hit this drop down, and the setting either is going to be moderate power, maximum power. You're going to select it to off. Now, if you're on a laptop and it says plugged up or battery, you're going to still make sure those are all on off. Once you do that, you're going to click on apply and then okay. Basically, if that doesn't solve the problem, here's another thing we can do. Next, what I want you to do is go to the search menu and type in CMD. On the command prompt, I want you to right click and click run as administrator because you need to be an admin. To know that you're an admin, when this window comes up, it should say Windows System 32. Now within command prompt, I want you to type in the follow command: power CFG, which stands for config, put a space, dash H space off. All right, once you get that in, you're going to just hit the enter key on the keyboard. It's going to send the command, and at that point what I would do is just restart the computer, and then your issue should be resolved. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.